In this video, I will show you how to sell Bitcoin on Crypto.com. So first of all, open your Crypto.com app, then click on the hamburger icon at the top left, and from here click on Crypto Wallet at the top. Right now select Bitcoin, click on Sell BTC, and right now you can select what you want for your Bitcoin. Do you want to swap it to different crypto, or do you just want to receive cash? And I just want to receive cash, so I'm clicking on cash, and then it will be added to my Euro account. If you have a different currency set to your account, it will be transferred to that currency. So if you're ready, go ahead and click on Sell BTC at the bottom. And in this screen, you will see the fees that are applied. In this case, there are none. So let's click on Confirm, enter your passcode in here. And as you can see, we have successfully sold our Bitcoin. So now we can tap anywhere to continue. And now this amount of Bitcoin will be gone from my account. As you can see, the balance is 0. And now my cash balance will be the amount of Bitcoin I sold. So that is how you sell Bitcoin on Crypto.com. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.